Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a transparent watermark on a CapCut application. So first thing you have to do is just go open the CapCut application, and after you open it, you just need to go click in new project, and after that I will suggest you to go into the stock videos. In this stock videos, you just need to find a background. You can use black background or green screens too, it's just up to you, but for me I would like to go with the black background. And after that you just need to go click text. In this tag, click add text and type what watermark that you want to add to or what you want to have. For example, I would like to go with 00_00, wait a minute, 00B, and after that just go click done. And now we can adjust in the size too. If we want to make it bigger, just drag it and done. Now we can click the random place, okay, make those frame disappear, and after that you just need to screenshot this right there. And now you already screenshot this on your phone. Now the next thing you have to do, you just need to find out what video that you want to add the watermarks to. Okay, for example, I would like to add it on my this video. Okay, so the things we have to do now is just drag this clip into the beginning. It just make us deciding when the watermark will be appear. So after that you just need to click an overlay. In this overlay you just need to go click add overlay, and this add overlay you just need to go into the photos and just click the part that you already screenshot before, and then just click add. And now you just need to go crop until you crop this part only. You just need to take a look on this bottom tools, scroll into the left side until you find edit, and now you just need to click on edits, and after that click crop. Now you can adjusting the part that you want to add to, okay, let's say here, and after that just need to go click done. And now we can also adjusting the position of this watermark will be appear. I will let you go it here, okay, and after that we just need to go back, click this part, and after that just need to go click blend. In this blend you just need to go choose a lighten, and this lighten you just need to adjusting the sides, drag into the left side until it shows transparent. Okay, and after you're done you just need to go click done, and here it is. Don't forget to adjusting this to be appear on the whole clip by just dragging it into the end of the clip right there. So let's have a check. Now you already have a transparent watermark on your video. So that's the way how to create a transparent watermark in CapCut application. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you guys, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.